So today's problem of the day is maximum number of event that can be attended. So we are given basically a array of events where event of I denotes the start and end day for a particular event I, and we can attend the event I at any day between the start and end, and at a time we can only attend like one event. Return the maximum number of event that we can attend. So basically I have drawn it over here. Like I'm supposing these are three events like black lines, first event, second event, and third event. So considering I have just like sorted them based on the start date, so that I can like attend the event which is starting earliest first, and then I can attend the further events. So the red line denotes the days, basically day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4, day 5. Hmm. So like as the first event is the only event which is starting on day 1, and I'm free on day 1, so I will basically attend the first event. So what I do, I so I have attended like first event over here on the day 1 itself, so I will do a check mark over here. And now on day 2 like no other event is starting, as we see like second event itself is starting on day 3, so I have nothing to do, so I will be ideal. And on as I have already attended like the first event, so I can do nothing on the day 1, day 2. On third day we see like there is another event which is starting, event second, so I can obviously like attend that particular event. So I will attend that. I will just do uh, mm, okay, yes. So I will so I have also attended like second event on day 4. Now comes day 5. So on day 5 I see like I am free, and the only event that is on day 5 is like event 3, so I can obviously attend that particular event. So this was the like simplest test case we can think of. Hmm. So here that there can be like two events starting on a particular day, then also like we will attend the first event, like considering there will be a more event. If I say like, so what we can do is we can move this line over here, and if possible, yeah, I am extending this particular line. Tools, okay, yeah. So we will be like we are sorting the events based on the start date. If the start date is same, so we will basically like sort them based on the end date. So this particular event will anyway come first, so we will attend that on day 5. Now suppose like there is a day 6 kind of thing, okay, then what we do like suppose day 6 is over here. I will draw it again. So this is day 6 basically, and on day 6 I see like I am free, and there is a event which is mm, the fourth event, so I can obviously attend that particular event. So the funda is like we will be I will be attending the event which is starting earliest first, and if one or more event are starting at the same time, so I will attend the event which is like going to end soon, so that as soon as I get the chance I will attend that particular event, so I don't miss that particular event. um, uh, Suppose like if we really want to have that test case now, we can think of it like this. Okay, so in this case if I would have like attended the event fourth on day 5, then I would have missed the event third basically, because it is ending like before day 6 itself. So that's why I'm attending the event like which is like ending first on the priority, and then I will attending because I have a leverage like for the days I can attend them later, which is like event which is going to end further in further time. So this is the whole we can do. um, um, so so the idea is pretty much clear. Sort the events based on the start date. If the start date is same, we can sort them on based on the end date. And on each particular day, like I will be maintaining like how many events are starting, and whosoever event is like going to end first, I will attend that. And on the upcoming days, I will attend the further events. Now let's I will be coding it. So let me go to IntelliJ. I'll copy the template. I'll paste it over here. So the first thing is we need to sort the events basically. Event in it takes a comparator basically. So we will be passing it comparing and a of 0. So this is basically like we are saying it to basically sort based on the first element of the event, like any particular event out of events, which is like start date. So we can even say like event, and I will just do a shift F6 rename event, and event of 0 is just nothing but start date. Event of 0 is equivalents to start. Start date is equals to event of 0. So now like I will be maintaining a priority queue, uh, PQ, which will be new priority queue. Now I'm declaring a variable int I equals to 0, and also I'm declaring a length for the array, which is our events, and will be the length. So events dot length, and I will be maintaining a day, like max events is what we need to return. Maximum number of event. So max underscore events equals to 0. Yeah. So now I will be proceeding like we have to go till I don't like get to the last basically indice indices of the event, or either our like priority queue is empty basically. While our priority queue is not empty, we need to like proceed. So here I will also check like, so now here comes the logic, like suppose I value is basically like 0. So that is our day 1 0 base indexing. So I need to check like how many events are there which are starting on this particular day. So I will just do like I will just do while I less than n. This is the condition I'm putting so that index out of exception error does not occur. And events of I and 0. This is the start date. Start date of the event is basically equivalents to our day, and I haven't declared the day, so I can just declare another variable which is day. This is our day 1. So basically I will be adding those pq dot offer, and I will be adding like their end date. We don't need to like add the start date. Basically we are only that suppose there are two cases. If we would have added all the events na, uh, at a one go, then we would needed to add both the start date and end date. Currently I am like proceeding one by one, so don't need to add end date in the priority queue. So I will do I plus plus once we declare, and this will be 1 index. Okay. And now basically we need to check like at any particular day. And now I can also write a comment, add events starting on this day events. Now we also need to like remove the events which have basically passed their end date. So remove events, and while basically our queue is not empty, while pq is not empty, and pq dot peak is less than day, remove event past with past and date. So this is nothing, just I am removing the events which are like basically expired, which have whose end date has been passed. So I will do pq dot poll, and now I need to check basically if our like um, priority queue basically have some elements. So I can just, I'm pretty sure these are the events basically which are like currently which I can attend on this particular day. So I will just do a check if priority queue is like not empty, so I will just remove the event, one of the event like which is ending soon, uh, and I will also like increment our max event attended event basically counter. uh, Wait, if the pq is not empty I am removing, and okay, great, I am attending my, I am increasing the event attended by me, and then I will just like increase the I counter, which I don't think I have to, no, I just need to increase my day counter basically, because the we are going to be on the next day. That is all I think, and we can now basically return the max, and I will just rename it max attended event, max attended events. Let's test it. Yeah, it got submitted. So the idea was like pretty simple. We are just like maintaining. We are first sorting the event based on the start date, like we did, and then we are maintain like why we needed the priority queues. Can be a question like, so priority queue is basically needed just to like there might be. Wait, let me show you. So like this was the case when two events were starting on the same day, so I need to maintain them like um, somewhere, and also I need to maintain them in a sorted order, like whosoever is ending first. So I will be like having a priority queue where I add the ending date of both events, like you can consider is it's like sixth, or either like we can consider it any number, 6 7 whatever. So 6, and the next event end date will be one more than that, 7. So I need to like attend this particular event uh, soon, like on the priority, and then I can attend this particular event. So that priority queue is just for this particular use case, like to store the events and date in the sorting order. So I just visit them in the priority order, like whosoever is ending first I will visit that, then keep on going on the next ones. And I'm just adding the events which are starting, I'm removing the events which are like expired ones, and then I'm checking if okay, on this particular current day do I have any event which I can attend. If yes, like priority key has some element, okay, I will just remove one particular event which is on the top, and I will increase my counter of the event attended by me. That's it.